It's one of them days today where it's going to be grey, raining, miserable. A nice British winter's day. So what are my plans for today? Well, I'm going to meet up with Jackson UK. 11 o'clock in Western Heights and do some exploring. I'll see what I can video, but with the weather as it is, I don't know what I'm going to record. We're hoping to go explore a couple of buildings. Can't tell you which. But I don't know, it depends on the weather. Hopefully I'll get something to record, even if it's only a few minutes. So if there is, you'll see it on this video, and you'll see the title, and it'll explain it all. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video, shall we? It's a bit wet, so I thought I'm early to meet Jack, so I thought I would just come. There's a little bit, it's a bit muddy. Yeah, this is just the top of Western Heights. Don't know if I should approach up here, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what to expect today. I haven't got my lavalier map plugged in, but yeah. Before I meet Jack, so I'll come and walk around here, see what it's like. Yeah. Hope you're all doing okay. Comment below, let me know how you are. And hopefully I'll get some decent footage for you. So here we go, I met up with Jax and we got to the building and we couldn't get in. The drop was too much and there was just a bit too dangerous, so we didn't want to chance it. You can't. And there's a path there, but you can't get to it through there. No, not that window, no. The big drop down there. So what I did now, I decided to get my monopod, attach my phone to it and the light and poke it through the window and just move my phone around to see what I could film. And the footage is okay, it's a bit very grainy because it's very dark in the building and my phone isn't the best, so I'll edit what I can, the best out of the footage, and yeah, this is it. Yeah, I don't know what the building was, I could do some research on that one, but yeah, you can see what's in there, but I say it's a very dark and grainy kind of picture. But hey, it's better than nothing, isn't it? Better than nothing. When the weather gets better, we might go back and try again. Bring a little ladder or something, bring something we can climb up and climb down in and get some better footage. This footage was taken from one of the holes in the window, and just thought I'll get my phone, poke it in and see what I can record. Yeah, so there you go, best I could do. This next footage is from the ruins of the Knights Templar Church. That's all that's left, but the history is quite phenomenal. There is a notice board where you can read all about what it's about, what happened there, and yeah, it is quite. Dover is quite a good place for history, well, a very good place for history. If you're ever in Dover, or if I will live in Dover, you know, just explore, take a camera. But be careful when you get to buildings, abandoned buildings. Make sure you're safe before you go in. Go, even though it was a bit of a wet and miserable day. We met up, and thank you Jax for a good hour or so. It was really good, and I got to see places I've never seen before, and it's a shame we couldn't get into the building, but I think in a way it was best wait until the spring when the weather gets better, when it feels a bit more safer. But yeah, it's always a pleasure meeting up with you, Jax, and hope to meet up again soon. And thank you for watching, everyone. If you like this kind of thing, subscribe, like, comment. I know it's not the usual explore video, but we can only do what we can, can't we? Sometimes reality just gets in the way. Okay, so love you all and catch you later. Doodle pips.